Welcome back for another virtual story time. I'm Miss Nicole here at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden courtyard. And it's December. So you know what's in December? Lots of holidays. So for this month, all of our story time is going to be about holidays and winter time. So let's get started today. Today we're going to read Bear Stays Up for Christmas. Now something special about bears is that they hibernate. Now what does that mean? It means that they sleep for a very long period of time during the winter. So they stock up on lots of goodies, fill their belly all nice and full, and then they go take a really long nap. There's some other animals that do that too, like squirrels. So let's see if Bear can stay up for Christmas. The day before Christmas, snuggled on his floor, Bear sleeps soundly with a great big snore. "Dear Bear, get up!" Mouse shouts in his ear. "We won't let you sleep through Christmas this year." His friends all there, gathered in his lair, and the bear wakes up. So it looks like they're inside of Bear's lair. So it looks like they're inside of his cave. He stands with a stretch and a great big sigh. "I hope I can make it. I do want to try." "Don't worry," squeaks Mouse. Hare says, "It's all right. We'll keep you busy all day and all night." He tries to lie down, but his friends all frown. So the bear stays up. "Come on," says Badger, "time to follow me. In Pine Grove Glen, there's a fine Christmas tree." So they stomp through the woods and they tromp down the track. They hoist up the tree onto Bear's big back. So it looks like Bear's helping them carry a Christmas tree. He plods very slow as they trudge through the snow, but the bear stays up. Back at the cave, Gopher brews mint tea, and Mole pops corn to string upon the tree. Raven and Wren bake a fresh fruit cake. The friends do their best to keep Bear awake. His shoulders start to stoop and his eyelids droop, but the bear stays up. They hang up their stockings by warm firelight and hum Christmas songs like "Oh Holy Night." They cuddle and sing as they wait for the sun. But soon all the voices fade to just one. A bright star glows while his good friends doze. But the bear stays up. So look, Bear's awake, but all of his friends are sleeping. Bear giggles and grins. He works and he raps. He bustles and bakes while everyone naps. So what does it look like Bear's doing here? He's wrapping some gifts for his friends while they're asleep. But who's this? It looks like Santa. He piles up presents under the tree, but who's at the doorway? Bear doesn't see. He toils all night until the sun rises, making his friends their Christmas surprises. Just before dawn, he lets out a yawn. But he still stays up. When Christmas arrives so lovely and white, Bear's friends awake to a glorious sight. Presents and goodies all piled up tall. "I stayed up," says Bear, "just to share with you all." So it looks like there's lots of presents under the tree from Bear and Santa. As his friends shout with glee, Bear lies by the tree, but he still stays up. Wren flies to the stockings and tweets out a cheer. "Besides our bear's presents, Santa was here." When all gifts are opened, there's one last surprise. Badger shows Bear a quilt just his size. Bear snuggles up tight and mutters, "Good night." The bear falls asleep. His friends tidy up and slip from the lair. They whisper, "Sweet dreams, Merry Christmas, dear bear." So he gets to go to sleep at the end after he stayed up for Christmas. So for our craft today, we're going to make our own bear puppet. So you can find this craft tutorial on our Google Classroom by registering for free at KeyWest.Garden/education. And there you'll find the tutorial how to make this. So what you're going to need is 2 different shades of brown paper, some googly eyes if you want. If not, you can also draw on eyes. And I added a little pom-pom for a cute little nose. So you're going to cut 1 large circle, 1 medium-sized circle, and 2 small circles. So then you'll have your ears and your nose. And you're going to use a brown paper bag, and you're going to glue your bear face onto the folded part. So that way, when I stick my hand inside, I've got a bear puppet. So try it out for yourself and show us your bear puppet using #KWVirtualGarden. For our activity today, we're going to be matching different shaped bears with different shaped homes. So bears hibernate in their caves. You can find this to print out on our Google Classroom as well. So let's see. We have a pretty normal looking bear with a circle face. Will he fit in this cave? No, that's a triangle. Will he fit in this square cave? No, because that's a square. But he fits perfectly in the circle cave. Okay, let's try another one. We have a triangle bear. Let's see. Which one will he fit in? Will he fit in the square? No. But the triangle and the triangle go together. Perfect. And then we have our last one. Our square bear is going to fit perfectly in there. So you can find the craft tutorial and this worksheet that you can print out on our Google Classroom for free. Thanks for joining me for our first December virtual story time. See you next week.